Are you feeling overwhelmed by managing your property? Hi, I'm Josh from ButterflyMX, and here are 9 essential tips to help you level up your property management skills fast. Tip 1. Build a strong onboarding process. Building your dream team starts with onboarding. A clear, structured process introduces your new team members to property policies, workflows, and the systems your property uses. With the right onboarding, your team feels confident, prepared, and ready to succeed. Tip 2. Understand your target market. Knowing your target market is so key. For example, young professionals may love co-working spaces while families might prioritize playgrounds. Tailoring your amenities and policies to your tenants' needs helps you attract and retain the right residents. Tip 3. Leverage technology for efficiency. Technology just streamlines your operations like never before. With tools like ButterflyMX, you can manage visitor access, track entry logs, and oversee package deliveries, all from the convenience of your own phone or computer. Tip 4. Develop proactive maintenance plans. With proactive maintenance plans, you can stay ahead of costly repairs. To be proactive about maintenance at your property, you should consider scheduling regular inspections so you can address small issues before they become escalated big issues. And to make things even smoother, consider implementing a system that lets residents easily submit maintenance requests. Tip 5. Streamline rent collection processes. Rent collection doesn't have to be a hassle. Digital tools like online portals and mobile apps can automate reminders and offer flexible payment options, making rent collection seamless and stress-free for both tenants and the managers. Tip 6. Invest in access control systems. Access control is a game changer for security and convenience at your property. With ButterflyMX, you can manage doors, gates, and even elevator access remotely. It's a super simple, centralized solution that boosts tenant satisfaction while keeping your property nice and secure. Tip 7. Focus on tenant retention. Keeping your tenants happy is the key to long-term success. Small, thoughtful gestures like being quick with your maintenance responses or with a personalized thank you note build loyalty and show your tenants that you truly care. After all, happy tenants are more likely to stick around with you. Tip 8. Stay data-driven. Data gives you the insights your property needs to succeed. Consider tracking metrics like occupancy rates, maintenance expenses, and tenant feedback to spot trends and improve strategies. Staying data-driven will help you maximize efficiency and profitability. Tip 9. Prioritize ongoing training. Property management is always evolving, so ongoing training is absolutely essential. When you keep your team updated on new tools, regulations, and best practices, your property runs smoothly and your tenants remain satisfied. With these tips, managing your property has never been easier. Want to simplify property management? Visit ButterflyMX.com for tools to make your job easier.